Click on the link below to get price. The Dehumidifier, 3,500 milliliters, is an impressive solution for anyone struggling with excess humidity in their home. With a large capacity and high-efficiency design, this portable unit provides an effective way to maintain optimal moisture levels in various spaces, including basements, bedrooms, and bathrooms. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its impressive 3,500 milliliters capacity. This means it can extract a significant amount of moisture before needing to be emptied, making it ideal for those larger areas or particularly damp environments. The unit operates quietly, which is a considerable advantage for nighttime use in bedrooms or during the day in living areas. You can barely hear it running, allowing for uninterrupted sleep and relaxation. The compact design is another highlight. Unlike larger, bulkier models, this dehumidifier is easy to move from room to room, making it versatile for multiple uses. Whether you need it in the basement to combat mustiness or in the bathroom to prevent mold growth, its lightweight construction makes transport a breeze. In terms of functionality, the unit is equipped with user-friendly controls. A simple interface allows you to adjust settings effortlessly, ensuring you can customize the humidity levels according to your preference. The dehumidifier also features an automatic shutoff function, which activates when the tank reaches capacity, preventing any overflow and ensuring peace of mind. Performance-wise, users will appreciate its rapid moisture removal capabilities. Within hours, noticeable differences can be observed in humidity levels, creating a more comfortable living environment. It's particularly effective in areas that experience high humidity or condensation, making it a must-have for many households. Overall, the dehumidifier, 3,500 milliliters, is a worthwhile investment for anyone seeking an efficient, quiet, and portable solution to humidity issues. It combines functionality and ease of use, making it an essential appliance for maintaining a healthy indoor atmosphere.